So students, the question which we will discuss in this lecture is that how do neprilysin inhibitors work? So the answer is very simple. For this you must know that basically the neprilysin is an enzyme, and the function of this enzyme is to do or to break down the natriuretic peptides. Now, what are the neprilysin inhibitors? Definitely, these are the drugs. So these are the agents which have ability to inhibit the enzyme neprilysin, and thus they will restrict this enzyme, and this will not allow this enzyme to break down the natriuretic peptides. So definitely, the first function of the neprilysin inhibitors is to prevent the breakdown of these natriuretic peptides. In addition to these natriuretic peptides, what neprilysin is doing, neprilysin is also causing the breakdown of the vasoactive peptides, including the bradykinin. Basically, this neprilysin enzyme is the neutral endopeptidase enzyme that is degrading all these agents, that is breaking down the natriuretic peptide and basically the bradykinin. Now, function of this natriuretic peptide is to remove the sodium from the blood and excrete it in the urine. Definitely, if it is removing the sodium from the blood and excreting it, then definitely it is actually helping you to lower down the increased blood pressure. And we already know the function of the bradykinin. Bradykinin is a vasodilator, and your neprilysin, your enzyme was doing what? It was breaking down this bradykinin, and in hypertensive patients, our aim is to prevent its breakdown. So neprilysin inhibitors will prevent its breakdown. Why? Because the bradykinin is a vasodilator that has ability to relax or widens the blood vessels. So by widening this blood vessel, this will facilitate the free flow of the blood in the vessels. So if you are breaking down this bradykinin, it means what you are doing, you are not allowing your blood vessels to relax. So this will result in increase in the blood pressure. So you can say the ultimate purpose of the neprilysin inhibitors is to lower down your blood pressure.